morning, everyone. Welcome to Axiostreks. It's a beautiful Wednesday morning in Parksville, Brooklyn. Currently walking down 8th Avenue for a early morning walk. Woke up feeling in a good mood this morning. Got some good news. I am currently at 100 subscribers thus far, which is really good. Really happy about that. Just wanted to make a quick thank you video to you all who subscribe to the channel. It means so much to me. You guys are an awesome, cool 100. And all that I ask is that if you can please continue to share, like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so. If you are watching this, I do have a lot of more content coming your way that I'm working on, so don't worry, there'll be more. And one more time, just wanted to say thank you so much. It means a lot, and let's keep this pushing. The only way is up at this point. Let's try double that by next month. That's the next goal. Let's try and double that 100 to 200. Thank you so much. So currently, just like I stated earlier, on my early morning stroll. It really is a beautiful day out here this morning. It's a nice cool breeze. I love it. It's probably like my favorite type of weather. Going to go get some coffee. Can't start the morning off without any coffee, so that needs to get done. Streets are starting to fill up. Businesses are starting to open. Currently on 7th Avenue, by the way. So I'll leave you all to it. Once again, thank you for tuning in. Thank you for helping me reach my 100 subscriber milestone. And everybody stay safe. Until next time, take care.